In this video, we'll show you how to import an existing 3D step model into Solidworks PCB. Before we begin the importing process, it's best to set up some clearance rules to avoid any interference issues between existing components on your board. To do this, we'll open our PCB document, select the Home tab, then select Design Rules. In the PCB Rules and Constraints editor, we'll expand the placement category and select Component Clearance. We can then set the horizontal clearance to 40 mils and press OK to save our changes. Now it's time to import our 3D step model. To do this, we'll select 3D Body in the Home tab, then select Generic 3D Model, and finally choose Embed 3D Model. Next, we need to select the step file to import, and then place it on the board. We can change the orientation of the model using the arrows and number pad and spacebar. You'll notice that when we're too close to other objects on our board, they'll be highlighted in red to show that we're in violation of our clearance rules. You'll also be shown the exact distance between two objects so you can make precise adjustments in densely packed board design.